Boy, bad day in the office, people. Bad day in the office, but you know, shit happens, man. Shit happens. So, what I did now, yeah, rookie mistake. I put my buy limits, as you saw earlier. I put one. I think I put one here, one there. I put one there, and I put one down here. One down here. You get me? So, as you could see, let me try to do the whole replay one bar. Alright, cool then. So this is what happened then, yeah. Rookie mistake, you know. But before I gotta take the rough with the smooth in it. So I got tagged in here, it's come back and it's shut up, which is cool. Smashed my TP. So bam, I've got in there. It's come down, cool, it's hit my TP. Now I've heard my alert go off in the gym, you get me? So I'm like, yeah man, I'm nice. But forgetting, and bearing in mind, I don't have this futures, I don't have this on my phone basically, where I'm used to MetaTrader where I can just deal with everything on my phone, you get me? So basically, it's dropped and I forgot that I've still got buy limits there in it, you know what I mean? So, 1 second, so as it's gone down now, it's gone beneath the £1,000 threshold. And even that, I forgot that it was only £1,000. I keep thinking that it's 2,500. You get me? But in the back office, you can't. It's mad. Like you don't allow you to lose no more than $1,000. Sorry, you get me? So yeah, it's one of them ones, man. But we moving it. But it hit the third zone, hit the TP, which is cool. So. Yeah man, but you know what, things do happen, you know what I mean? Things will happen, things do happen, so we gotta take the rough with the smooth. So yeah, this is what it's looking like now. As you can see on this, how do you zoom in? Cool, yeah, you can see it now. Alright, so the 8 contracts got filled, so that would have been, I don't even know what it would have been, to be fair, probably about a bag or 8 bills or something. That was cool. So I'm nice, I'm in the gym thinking, yeah man, we're nearly there, you get me? Because I think I was on 13 or something, $1,100 or 11, I'm sure it was like 11 or 12. So I thought, yeah man, if I get this will put it to £2. And yeah, from there now I'm thinking, yeah, we Gucci. So I've come back now and something told me, man, like, because it's futures and that, it just feels funny. Like you don't say TP. I like to see. I like to see. I want to see the TP. You get what I'm saying? Like, but yeah, I just feel like, yeah, man. So on the way home from the gym, I had a feeling like, I bet you any money something happened, man. You get me? But it's all good. And yeah, man. Got home, and it said I'm down a bag. I'm thinking, down. So now I've just clocked. I've just clocked that. Me putting my buy limits on, because I ain't got that on my phone, where if it hits your TP, obviously when you're MetaTrader, you can go on your phone and you can obviously you can just take all the buy orders off and buy limits and stuff, which is cool. But with this being as it's in my yard and that, I need to connect it to my phone somehow. I don't know if you can. You must be able to, really, innit? You must be able to. At least I can kind of, you get me? But it is a bit more technical, man. I can't mess with the futures. I can't mess with the futures prop firms. I'm gonna do it and try a thing, but I'll buy FTMOs, man. No disrespect to Apex and that, but I'm not really with the futures, man. I get tight spreads and all that, but you're either gonna win or lose, man. Forget it. Yeah. So what I'll do before I wrap up this video, give you a quick recap of how the trade played out. So first and foremost, I recorded this earlier. My camera weren't turned on like a madman, so I'm just gonna walk you through what I'm doing in this video. So the screen record worked, but the camera had a mind of its own today. I'm there talking to myself with no camera on, which is good. So what I'm doing here, yeah, I'm putting on my buy limit on MYMH6. I think it's Dow Jones, which is US 30, if you don't know. I'm still new to this. I'm still new to this futures business, so still don't really know the ins and outs, but we're gonna learn on the way, man. We're gonna learn on the way. So what I'm doing here is setting up my buy limits, checking out the rules and parameters, and trying to figure it all out. Same again, we putting the 3 zones on after 30 minutes. It's an uptrend. We're aiming for the 48,080 TP zone, and all I'm doing here is checking out my risk. So it's saying $229. So I'm looking at it like I got a few positions on. So if it was to go down there, I get closed out on $1,000, which I found out later on in the video. So yeah, I was confident with this trade still. When you're looking at this, like I'm looking at it and I'm seeing like it was a clean trade, man. It was a clean trade. Let me put my thing down here. So yeah, if it was to bounce off the first zone, kosher. Yeah, so what I did in this video, I put my 7 positions on the first zone. I was confident that it wasn't gonna pull back too deep. You can see me there looking like I'm mad. You can't even see me on the screen. Yeah, so I put my first position on. I put 7 contracts on, loaded up, and I didn't really feel like it was gonna get to the third zone. I definitely felt like the 48.080 TP zone was gonna get hit before it was gonna drop, which it did. And yeah, man, it did its thing, played out, and that's it. The camera was just jamming today, so the video is gonna be a bit choppy, but yeah, tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's a new day, man. But yeah, man, the good thing is on the live account, it's still can't even see it really, man, but the live account, I'm holding it a little bit long. I'm gonna close a few more positions, be closing the positions as it's been going up. I just gotta make sure this is connected to my phone. Basically, I can't be taking these L's, man. That's like what, 2 days work. So tomorrow hopefully I can load up. I just want to pass this in one trade, to be fair, and it is what it is. I'm not able to get cocky on them. If I lose, you get me, I get it. But sometimes I just you just know when it's a good trade, man. Like you can kind of put a bit more muscle on it. But it's all good, man. It's all good. We're moving.